Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Life with Kirti. Today's video is a little different video. It's like a vlog about how to make an exciting day for a kid when it's his birthday. Yes, today is my son's birthday and today we are celebrating it in his way, the way he wants. So he wanted to go somewhere. Let's see where are we going. Okay, he will tell himself where are we going right now.
Hello, we are in a bus going to mall.
Yes, we are here in the North Point City Mall. So we are just going inside it. This mall is near to our place. This is the outside of the mall. We came from home and my husband is coming from the office. So now he came and we are inside here in the McD to eat something. And now we are here on the 4th floor. This is Wet Park or Wet Playground. My son loved this place a lot, so he wanted to come here and play on his birthday. So we brought him here. As you can see, this is very beautiful wet park, not too big, not too small. It's not too small, so your kid will not get bored easily, and not too big so that you can keep an eye on your kid. So many open slides, tunnel slides, fountain, and it's fun for kids. See how beautiful it is. I'll turn around and show you the whole park. See, there's lot of space for parents to sit and keep an eye on their kids. Also there is changing room, shower room also. So from there, after changing him, I brought him down to the time zone. Kids always like this place. Even I like to play here. There are so many playstations, so many games to play. Just you get a card, charge it, and then swap it on a machine wherever you want to play. When you play, you win, you get some tickets, and then there is a counter where you give the ticket, and then you can redeem it with some toy or a game, whatever you want. So see, grown-ups are also playing here, not only kids. As I said, I also like to play here. You can easily spend few hours here. See how excited he is. That's why we brought him here, because it's his birthday and it should be celebrated the way he wanted. He likes these cars and motorcycles a lot. This game is like a fishing one. You throw some food and then you catch the fish, something like that. This is the counter I was telling about. Again, he's driving a car. So then after coming home, we took a break. We refreshed ourselves, and then in the evening, we took him again to a new place. Yes, it is evening, but still it's hot here, so that's why it's sunny right now. We are at an MRT station, and from here we are going to somewhere. Yes, we are here at Science Center, Singapore. When you enter, the first thing you see it is Kinetic Garden. Then again here is park both the sides. Dry park, some fountains, some wet slides park also. He again wanted to go there, but somehow we convinced him that first we'll finish inside, we'll see everything, then at the end we'll take you back to the wet park. So this is the entrance. Here you can show your tickets to get an entry inside it. Now this is the main entrance of the Science Center. This is science exhibition. So many small things are here which you can notice, and there's something different, something scientific with each and everything. See, this is a small experiment of pressure and area. This is a painting, a 3D painting. When you move and see, it looks like a door is closing. See, and then if you move again, it looks like the door is opening again. So very interesting things in the starting. This is electricity show.
Alright, so what you just witnessed was the fourth state of matter. I'm sure you guys are quite familiar with the first three states: solid, liquid, and gas, and this is the fourth one, and we call it plasma. So the electricity from the pinwheel ionizes the air around it, causing it to create that purple spark that we all know and love as lightning. And now on to our second demonstration. Our very brave Tesla car specialist, Mr. Teo, is in the arena and he's doing something very dangerous. So let's give Mr. Teo a round of applause, please. Falling down here, this show will not be possible. So thank you, Mr. Teo. Now what Mr. Teo is doing right now is he's replacing the pinwheel with another wire, and we call it the corona point. The corona point has only one discharge point, so the spark that you see will be brighter and more intense. And if you look at our corona point, it's pointed to my left-hand side, so my very lovely assistant, Mr. Khalid, is on the lookout for fine volunteers to help us throw some fluorescent tubes for this next demonstration. So if you want to help us, just raise your hand, grab the attention of Mr. Khalid, we will gladly pass you a fluorescent tube. So make sure you hold it at the end of the fluorescent tube and hold it as high as you can. So after you hold it as high as you can, your ears, cover your ears, and ready or not, here we go. How about a round of applause for our water?
So that was the electricity show. Now again, here are few scientific experiments done. When you go there, you really have to take a lot of time out because there are various things and we were already falling short of time, so we couldn't cover everything. But if you go there, make sure you have a good time there. This image is rotating and then you can see the shadow. The shadow is also giving some meaningful images. Sometimes it looks like a horse, sometimes it's looking like an airplane, sometimes it's looking like a butterfly. Now this was very interesting. It was a mirror maze. There are so many mirrors and different lights there. So it's like a mind trick where you get confused. It was pretty interesting and my son also enjoyed there a lot. You enter and then you have to find your way out between so many mirrors. So you really get confused here and sometimes stuck here, but it's very funny. This is giant geotrope. Then this section is scientist for a day. Then this was some 3D 360-degree environment. Then this section is future makers. This one is Singapore Innovations. Then phobia, the signs of fear. This one was also interesting. What all kind of fear you may have, you will face there inside. Here he is shouting and testing the scale of how loudly he can scream. So here actually the video ends, but I'm still putting some pictures. Then we came back home and we cut the cake, celebrated the birthday finally. So I hope you like this video, the way we celebrated the birthday. So thanks for watching and please like and subscribe my channel.